Daniel, and then I'm with Aiden here, and he's kind of doing, and then we named the catfish Slimy, and we got it from the ocean. Yeah, one person got this, and then we put it in the bucket for, but it's kind of hard to see. We named it Slimy though. Aiden, do you want to say anything?
We named it Slimy because it's slime. And look at this. If you want a closer look.
Oh,
He's about 10 inches something.
yeah.
So it was my sister's row who caught it, and Sarah caught it, and my dad pulled it. So it was teamwork.
Yeah, let's get it.
We don't know if we will cook it.
Yeah, I don't know yet.
Or we don't know even if we will let it
Yeah, let's
go.
just keep it for now.
Yeah, maybe.
Slimy, you want food?
Slimy. Closer look. His mouth is like,
Oh yeah, I've seen his mouth.
So we'll get him some food.
Yeah. You give him one, I'll give him one. Ouch. Yeah, when you get the shrimp, it kind of hurts to give him food. So here you go, buddy.
Good.
Yeah. Let's take it. Look at the water. So you see this? Like it's kind of hard to see, and then yeah, like we caught it. I'll show you where we caught it. So we caught it in here. You see? Yeah. Like one person with a fishing rod is trying to get the catfish. So yeah. Well, thanks for watching. Don't forget to subscribe and like it. Bye.
You forgot to tell him what it was.